Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So, what would you do if you forgot your Skype password? If you are having trouble with remembering your password and don't know what to do next, we have a solution for you. You can easily recover your Skype account from Skype app. Go to the app, click it open, click to sign in, use another account, fill in your Skype ID, phone number or email. We're typing our phone number today and click next. Now, forgotten your password would be your next choice. Click it open. To verify your identity, tap to text and get the code. Now you've just been sent a code to your mobile number. Type in your code and click next. To reset your password, enter a new password, re-enter your password to make sure and click next. Your password has been changed. Thank you for watching. If you think this video was of some help, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for more updates. I'll see you back again with another tutorial video. Till then, goodbye.